I just finished my fall cleanse of 10 days and I'm feeling great. My name is Erin Casperson, and along with Leanne Trigler, we are going to be guiding the Whitman Wellness Center community through a 10-day cleanse. It's based on the principles of Ayurveda, and really it's about resetting our digestive system so that we can go into fall with optimized digestion and being able to handle the harder to digest soups and stews and casseroles that come along with the season. But beyond just resetting our digestive fire, I really use this time as a reset. So I take a little break from social media, I start to turn inward, I look at some habits that maybe I've acquired that I want to take a break from. Like right now I'm taking a little break from coffee, and I start to put some new habits in, like recommitting to some of the practices that I love, like meditation and yoga and massaging my body and taking time for quiet every day, getting out in nature. And so I really hope that you'll join us for these 10 days so that together in community with daily videos and a guidebook and a Facebook community, we'll come together and share in this experience to reset our digestion, start new habits, let go of old habits, and be able to go into winter feeling great. So I hope to see you for our first call. It's on October 22nd, and we'll have 3 live Zoom calls. They will be recorded. We'll have daily videos, and we'll have lots of information for you to be supported as you walk through this cleanse with us. So I hope to see you October 22nd.